To locate bladder 40, find the midpoint of the back of your knee, right about here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is bladder 40. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Now there are some arteries and nerves that run through this area, so gentle stimulation is best. You can use a Teishin gently like this. Now finally activate bladder 40 on your other leg.